Hello everybody, my name is Victoria Lova and I am a former ballet dancer, an artist and a musician. I would like to welcome you to my channel and to my space of conscious living, where I will share with you my thoughts and my daily experiences that help me personally to stay focused and live a conscious life. In this video, I would like to talk about how to survive a breakup. How to go through one of the most difficult periods in somebody's life. And immediately I would like to remind everybody that I will be just expressing my personal opinion, and you are absolutely free to either agree or disagree with me. Also, I would really appreciate if you support my channel by subscribing and liking my videos. Breakup can be considered a very popular topic because I believe that there is probably one person whose life was not touched by it at least once during his or her lifetime. There is a belief that breakups are never pretty, unless it is a movie. In real life, if the relationship was long and meaningful, the breakup oftentimes turns out usually uneasy. Let's use that word. Nothing reminds a movie. There is no beautiful music on the background, and your friends and relatives do not rush to your rescue. In reality, most likely you will be left face to face with your pain and suffering. Today I would like to focus on one approach that might allow you to survive a breakup in a quicker, more effective, and less painful way. What do people usually do? There is a belief that after the breakup, you have to immediately distract yourself. Or other words, you have to occupy yourself, so you would simply have no time and energy to think about what happened to you. And this is not a bad advice. But today I would like to shift your focus to a different approach. Yes, being distracted by something and being preoccupied with something is not a bad idea. But it is not only about being busy with anything, but about filling your life with thoughts, decisions, and actions that will bring you closer to your ideal life. It is also about concrete steps or actions towards your self-realization. It might be a project, a desire, anything that will move you forward. When a meaningful relationship ends, very oftenly people have a feeling that life has no meaning any longer. Not only the person has no energy to build a new relationship, but also he or she doesn't see why it is actually necessary. People experience the state of apathy. They ask themselves, why do I need a career? Why do I have to earn money? Why do I have to take care of myself? Life loses meaning for them. And now I will talk about 3 rather simple steps that you might undertake in order to survive a breakup or to make it less painful and more effective. Step number 1. Allow yourself to mourn. Mourning would imply crying if you feel like crying. Mourning would imply not doing anything or even not wanting anything. Mourning would be a very natural reaction to this situation, to the situation of breakup. Just don't do it for too long. Don't dive into mourning. Allow yourself to mourn for a few days or maybe a couple of weeks, but no longer. Stay aware that this is a completely normal process for this situation. And also keep in mind a very famous saying by King Solomon, that too shall pass. Step number 2. Ask yourself a simple question. What kind of life do I want to live? If you don't want to think about relationships at the moment, but who knows, we are all different, then think about other aspects of your life, other areas of your life that you would like to improve. It might be your physical appearance, it might be your career, or maybe you would like to learn something new. And not just because you're killing some time, but because it brings you closer to your ideal self-image, to your self-realization. And finally, last but not least step you should remember: do not look back. This is one of the main principles of the reality transurfing. Always look forward. Even if you are going to reconcile with your lost love, it will happen in the future, not in the past. Please don't forget about it. And please share your thoughts with me and other people on a subject by leaving a comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to like my videos. In conclusion, as always, I would like to sincerely thank you. It's time to make your move.